Hi, I'm Joshua and this is Kirsty. To make this picture we painted a sunset background, and then to create some trees we blew black paint through a straw.
Hi, I'm Sophie and this is my fruit picture. I drew all sorts of fruit, including a huge red watermelon. I shaded them with chalks and smudged them to make them look really edible.
Hello, my name is Adam and I've had an art attack with chalks. I drew green wisps with red and white heads to create the effect of poppies in a field.
Hi, my name's Keely. I made this picture by cutting up old holiday magazines. I then tried to copy the missing section of the image myself using paints.
Hi, my name is Ashley and this is my weird face picture. To make it, I photocopied magazine pictures of faces, then cut them out and reassembled them, making them look strange and distorted.
Ah, great art attacks. And you know, that using old magazines has given me a really good idea for a simple yet really effective art attack. Try this. Cut out an outdoor scene picture from a magazine. Now, it could be just an ordinary scene, could be a river scene, even a nice snowy scene, even a beach scene, whatever you like, but just make sure you cut it into a rectangle that's twice as wide as it is high. So, twice as wide as it is high, and then divide it into 3 equal sections. Now, the width of this is 21 centimetres, so for 3 equal sections, I'm going to have 7 centimetres each section. And then just draw a ruler line across to divide sections, one there and one there, like that. And then use your ruler to fold the paper accurately along those lines. So one fold in there like that, and then move the ruler over and get one fold there. It's important that you do this quite accurately. It's not often we say that on Art Attack, is it? And then I'm just going to fold those over in onto themselves like that. So 3 equal folds. And then turn it over, and on the back just draw a smooth curve across the top to create an arch shape. Now, you need a nice smooth curve here, so you can adjust it as many times as you like. It doesn't matter how many times you adjust it, because this is the back, but you want a nice smooth curve. And when you're happy with that arch shape, just hold the paper together, all the folds, and very carefully snip along that curved line with some scissors into the arch there. That's it. Just carefully holding your paper together so that when you've cut it, you open it out and you have 3 arches that are joined, and then to separate them, just snip up those lines. That's one up there, and carefully again up that line like that. So you've now got 3 separate arch shapes. And then take a piece of black paper, place that down, and then place your arch shapes into the middle of the black paper like that, and just separate them slightly, line them up, and look what you've done. You've created a view of a scene looking through arched windows. Good, isn't it? And then all you have to do is glue those bits down, and there's your arched picture. And here's another way of creating an arched picture. This time, take some brown paper. I suppose you could use grey paper for this. And again, cut out 3 arches in exactly the same way. Place the arches this time at the bottom of your paper. And again, just spread them out like that along the bottom of the brown paper, and then cut out a strip of sky from a magazine that fits along the top of your paper, and now you've created an arched picture looking through an arched bridge or viaduct. And again, glue those pieces down. And you know, lots of different pictures look good through arches. Again, just create 3 arches in the same way, back them onto black paper, and there you have another arch picture. And what about 3 different sized arches and a curved strip of sky going along the top to create a bridge? Or even this one. This is a bigger arch, just 1 arch this time, and I've divided it into 4, separated the bits to create a different shaped arch window. Try it yourself. An arch attack. I'll see you next time. Ta-ra.